The PiNetwork has taken the cryptocurrency world by storm. Recently, its price soared to an incredible $315. At one point, it even touched $320. This surge has excited many in the crypto community. People are asking if this is the beginning of Pi's journey to the moon. This price jump represents a significant increase from Pi's value just a few months ago. In February 2025, Pi was trading at a mere 65 cents. The difference is astounding. This rapid appreciation has caught the attention of seasoned investors and newcomers alike. The recent price movement raises many questions. What is driving this growth? Is this surge sustainable? What does the future hold for PiNetwork? In the following sections, we will delve deeper into the factors contributing to Pi's success. We will also analyze expert opinions and market sentiment surrounding this new player in the cryptocurrency world. One of the key factors contributing to PiNetwork's credibility is its use of Chainlink Oracle. Chainlink is a decentralized Oracle network. It provides reliable real-world data to blockchains like PiNetwork. This data includes cryptocurrency prices. Chainlink ensures the accuracy and security of PiNetwork's price feeds. This is crucial for maintaining transparency and trust within the PI ecosystem. Traditionally, blockchains have struggled to access reliable off-chain data. This is where Chainlink bridges the gap. Its decentralized network of nodes provides secure and tamper-proof data feeds. This ensures that the price reflected on PiNetwork is accurate and reflects the actual market value. This integration with Chainlink has significantly boosted confidence in PiNetwork. It demonstrates a commitment to transparency and reliability. This is essential for any cryptocurrency aiming for mainstream adoption. The PiNetwork journey began in 2019. It launched with a unique vision to make cryptocurrency mining accessible to everyone. Instead of relying on energy-intensive mining rigs, PiNetwork utilizes a mobile-first approach. Users can mine Pi coins simply by using the PiNetwork app on their smartphones. This innovative approach has attracted millions of users worldwide. The network boasts an impressive user base of over 60 million people. This makes it one of the largest cryptocurrency communities globally. This large and active community is a testament to PiNetwork's vision. The project's emphasis on accessibility and user-friendliness has resonated with a global audience. Section 4. Navigating the future, market sentiment and realistic predictions. The recent price surge has understandably generated a lot of excitement within the Pi community. Many Pi holders are optimistic about the future. Some believe Pi could reach even greater heights, with price targets of $2,000 or more. However, it is essential to approach these predictions with caution. The cryptocurrency market is notoriously volatile. Prices can fluctuate wildly in short periods. While the recent price surge is encouraging, it is crucial to consider the bigger picture. Factors such as regulatory developments, competition from other cryptocurrencies, and overall market sentiment will play a significant role in shaping Pi's future. Realistic price predictions from market analysts range from $1 to $10 after the mainnet launch. These predictions are based on factors such as token circulation, market capitalization, and overall adoption rate. Section 5. PiNetwork, a community-driven project reaching for the moon. PiNetwork's journey is a testament to the power of community. Millions of users worldwide have come together to build a more inclusive and accessible cryptocurrency ecosystem. The recent price surge is a significant milestone for the project. It reflects the growing belief in PiNetwork's potential. As PiNetwork prepares for its mainnet launch, the world is watching closely. Will it live up to the hype? Only time will tell. Want to stay updated on all things PiNetwork? Subscribe to Pi News World and let us know what you think about PiNetwork in the comments below. Don't forget to comment PiNetwork to the moon.